Let me show you how to install WordPress on a VPS server in minutes. Step number one is to get a VPS server. We have a lot of companies. In this video, I will share with you how to install it on Contabo. Why Contabo? Simply because in my experience, and today I am handling more than 500,000 visits on my main website h2ptools.com, and the server is hosted by Contabo. In terms of pricing and resources, Contabo is the best. You can see we can start with $6-7 with 4 cores and 8 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think there is another service gives you the same resources with this price. So simply go to VPS here, high performance VPS, and select this VPS. Select. Now go down, and here in the apps and panels, make sure to select Plesk on Linux. It will cost you 12 euros or 13 euros per month. Believe me, it is the cheapest service compared with anything you want. Then go down and enter a root password for your server. Then next, and order this VPS. If you don't have an account, just sign up. I don't want to waste your time now signing up, so I will log in and then order and pay. In a couple of minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, you will get an email from Contabo exactly like this one. You will have the IP address and you will have the access URL. Step number 2 is to point and map your domain name to your VPS IP address. Simply copy the VPS IP here, go to your domain provider. In my case, it's GoDaddy. I will pick a testing domain now. Let's say this one. Go to DNS settings and simply just change the main A record. Click edit, the value, paste, and save. That's it. Now, our domain is pointing to our VPS server. Step number 3, install WordPress. Look how easy it is. Click on this address, the Plesk admin panel URL, and simply log in with your root, user and password, and log in. Here we are. Click on websites and domains. You'll see this screen, it's empty. Click add domain and simply get your domain here. I will copy it and paste it here, then add domain. Very nice. Let's now install WordPress. Click on this button here, install WordPress. And here we are. Just make sure to enter a password here for your WordPress website. And this is the username. I will say here my name and install. Just wait a little bit. And here we are. WordPress is installed. Now let's add a free SSL certificate to secure our website. Click here on no certificate, get an SSL certificate, and then install a free basic certificate provided by Let's Encrypt. Install, get it free, and here we are. We installed SSL on our domain. Let's go back to websites and domains. Let's open it. And here we are, our WordPress website secure with SSL. What's nice, you can simply add more domains, more websites on the same server, so you can host multiple websites on this single server and save a lot of money and get high performance with this VPS server. Of course, later on you can scale it up when you have more and more visitors. Also, you will have access to the mail section here, so you can create business emails, send emails, receive emails in this panel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can always contact me on the forum h2ptools.com/forums, or simply join us on Telegram to chat together, to help each other. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. And if it's your first time here on my channel, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, turn notifications to get every new update. See you later.